Welcome to our channel Competitive Pedia. Today we are going to discuss important current affairs. So let's begin the session. The first question: who has won Ballon d'Or 2021 in men's category? So the correct answer is option A, Lionel Messi. Now, Lionel Messi has won the Ballon d'Or award for the 7th time. Okay. Now, Messi has won the award in the following years, which are as follows: 2009, 2010, 2011, 2012, 2015, 2019 and 2021, which comprises 7 years. Clear? Now, Ballon d'Or award is an annual football award presented by the French news magazine France Football, okay, since 1956. Clear? Now the other Ballon d'Or awards for 2021 are as follows: Ballon d'Or in men's category goes to Lionel Messi, who has joined Paris Saint-Germain club after exiting from Barcelona club. Ballon d'Or award for women's category goes to Alexia Putellas. The club of the year, Chelsea Football Club, England. Copa Trophy for best young player goes to Pedri. Striker of the year goes to Robert Lewandowski, and the Yashin Trophy for the best goalkeeper goes to Gian Luigi. Okay, keep this in mind. These are very important for exams. Next question: World AIDS Day is celebrated globally on. So the correct answer is option B, 1st December. World AIDS Day has been celebrated globally. So here it is, 1st December. Now, what is the theme of this year? So theme of 2021 is End Inequalities and AIDS and End Pandemics. Keep this in mind. And the day was first observed in 1988. Now, take a look on some other important days, like on 4th December, it is Navy Day. On 7th of December, it is Armed Forces Day, and on 23rd December, it is Kisan Divas, Farmers Day. Keep in mind. Clear? Next question: which city will become the first city in India to start ropeway service? So the correct answer of this question is option C, Varanasi. Clear? Varanasi is the correct answer of this question. Now that is Varanasi. Now the ropeway will be used as a mode of public transport. It will be used as a mode of public transport, and the ropeway will be constructed between Kant railway station to Church Square. Okay. Total aerial distance will be 3.45 kilometer. And important fact, India will be the third country in the world. It will be the third country in the world to start the service. So the first two are as follows: Bolivia and Mexico. These are first two countries where ropeway service has been started, and the third country in the world will be India. Clear? Next question: who is the head of the 3-member committee formed to review the criteria for reservation for the EWS category, economically weaker section category? So the correct answer of this question is option B, Ajay Bhushan Pandey. So here it is Ajay Bhushan Pandey, and the committee was formed by Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment. Okay, this is the Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment has formed the committee, and the requirement for appointing a committee to revisit the criteria has come after the Supreme Court intervention. Now, who are the members of the committee? It is important. So it is Ajay Bhushan Pandey, who is the head of the committee and he is a former finance secretary to Government of India. Second is Shri Sanjay Sanyal, who is the principal economic advisor to Government of India. Third is Professor V.K. Malhotra, who is the member secretary of Indian Council of Social Science and Research. Clear? Next question, street project launched by which state to promote tourism? So the correct answer of this question is option D, Kerala. Clear? Now, what is the full form of street? It is sustainable, tangible, responsible, experiential, ethnic tourist hubs. So keep in mind the full form, it can be asked in exam. So Kerala capital is Thiruvananthapuram and the Chief Minister of Kerala is Pinarayi Vijayan and the Governor of Kerala is Arif Muhammad Khan. Clear? Next, BSF was formed on. Okay, the correct answer of this question is option A, 1st of December 1965. The BSF was formed on 1st December 1965. So here it is, 1st December 1965. So Border Security Force, full form of BSF, is celebrating its 57th raising day on 1st of December. Now BSF ensures the security of the borders of India and it is one of the 5 central armed police forces of the Union of India. BSF is often termed as first line of defense of Indian territories. Clear? Now BSF Director General is Pankaj Kumar Singh and BSF headquarter is New Delhi. Clear? Second question, Call Your Cop mobile app was launched by. So Call Your Cop mobile app was launched by, the correct answer is option C, Nagaland Police. Clear? So here it is, Nagaland Police, and the app will enable to its citizens of the state, especially those in distress, to get in touch directly with the police in just one click. Now CM of Nagaland is Neiphiu Rio and the Governor of Nagaland is Jagdish Mukhi. Next question, which country has become the world's newest republic after almost 400 years? It is very important question. And which country has become the world's newest republic after almost 400 years? And the correct answer of this question is option B, Barbados. Clear? Barbados. So here it is, Barbados, and Barbados is an Eastern Caribbean island nation. Its capital is Bridgetown. Clear? And it became an English colony in 1625. And Dame Sandra Prunella Mason, very important, Dame Sandra Prunella Mason has become the first president of the country. Keep it in mind. Now the currency of Barbados is Barbados dollar. And Barbados will continue to be one of the 54th Commonwealth nation. Clear? Keep it in mind, it is very important question. Next is, which state has roped in Sanjay Dutt as the brand ambassador? The correct answer is option C, Arunachal Pradesh. Clear? So Arunachal Pradesh, on 20th of January 1972, a UT means Union Territory was created from the parts of Assam and it was renamed as Arunachal Pradesh. And Arunachal Pradesh became a state on 20th of February 1987. Okay. Chief Minister of Arunachal Pradesh, Pema Khandu. Governor of Arunachal Pradesh is B.D. Mishra. Okay. The registered GI, Geographical Indication Tag of Arunachal Pradesh are, first is Arunachal Orange and the next is Edu Mishimi Textiles. Clear? and the number of districts in Arunachal Pradesh is 25, and the state bird of Arunachal Pradesh is great hornbill. And one question arises from this, is the hornbill festival is of Nagaland. Okay, hornbill festival is of Nagaland. It is called festival of festival. But if it is asked which is the of which state hornbill is a state bird, so the answer will be Nagaland, and hornbill festival will be of Nagaland. Sorry. Once again I have to say, great hornbill will be a state bird of Arunachal Pradesh. Okay, but hornbill festival will be of Nagaland. Okay. Next question, who has been appointed as UNESCO Goodwill Ambassador for Cultural and Creative Industries? So UNESCO Goodwill Ambassador for Cultural and Creative Industries. So the correct answer of this question is option D, Naomi Kawase. Okay. So Naomi Kawase is a Japanese film director. She has won Grand Prix at the Cannes Film Festival in 2007 for her film The Mooring Forest. Now, UNESCO was founded on 16th of November 1945. The headquarters of UNESCO is Paris, France, and the Director General of UNESCO is Audrey Azoulay. Okay. Now, full form of UNESCO is United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization. Keep it in mind. Clear? So this was for the day. Thanks for watching the video till the end. Do subscribe the channel Competitivepedia, share with your friends, learn and grow day by day. Happy learning. May God bless you all. Thank you.